magic E at the end. So, Chase, what is this word? No. It's got the O sound. Doze. Doze. Kinsler. Nose. Yep. Got the O with the sneaky E. Emsley. Use. Kate. Grant. Pole. Sydney. Close. Okay, remember, close, rose, use, nose, all sound like they have a Z sound instead of S. So when we do the spelling test, you need to remember that there is an S there. Only doze has a Z sound, or the Z letter. Okay, number 7, what is that, Emma? June, and that one needs a capital letter because it's a name. Okay, Heather? Woke. Wyatt? Rule. Xavier? Road. Isaiah? Roll. Sadie? The long U sound says its name. Ooh, Sadie? Put it together. Tune. Tune. Okay, then here are our challenge words. Wrote. Remember? The WR has just the sound. You got to remember that W. And flute, just like it sounds. Flute with the sneaky E. Okay. Now, let's see if we can do some of these long O and long E sound words. Okay. Everybody. Bow. Sound. Word. Very good. Let's do the next one. Sound. Sound. Blend. Rue. Need to be doing this with us, Kinsler. Sound. Roll. Rule. Word. Rule. We have lots of rules in our classroom. Okay, another one. Sound. Everybody needs to be doing it. Row. Word. Okay, blue table. Blend. Sound. Ta. Blend. Word. Heat. Okay. Purple. We're not talking in between. Purple. Sound. Sound. Blend. Two. Sound. Sound. This sound. What is this sound? Ba. Blend it. Tube. Word. Tube. Thank you, Blaze, for doing that. I couldn't hear anyone else in your group. Red table. Sound. Sound. You, not ooh, you. That's the name. It says its name. You. Pull it. Blend. Two. Sound. Not nah. Now blend. Tune. Blend. Good word. Okay, green table. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Not fluff. Fume. Word. Fume. Okay, yellow table. Sound. Sound. Blend. Now, this doesn't say, it says, so sound. Okay. Blend. Fuse. Word. Fuse. Okay, now everybody, we're going to do 2-syllable words. Okay, our heads should be up and we should be listening. Isaiah, your head needs to be turned this way, not behind you. Okay, let's do 2-syllable words. Let's see. This says its name, so what does it say? Mew. Sick. Put it together. Music. Word. Very good. Okay, this says its name. So what does it say? Ho. What does it say? No, that's an E. Tail. Put it together. Hotel. Okay, hotel. I want to show you something. I should have kept that up. Hotel and catnap. Okay? When we do 2 syllables like this, see? Listen and quit talking, please. CVC, CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. But hotel, do you see it's missing a consonant right there? It just says consonant vowel. Instead of a CVC, it's just a consonant vowel. So when that happens, this vowel says its name. So instead of hotel, it's hotel. Okay? Hotel, because it ends. So let's look at another one like that. Okay? Here's where the syllable ends. CV, CVC. So now the U's going to say its name. Pill. Pupil. Pupil. Okay? A student is a pupil. You're my pupils. Okay, what about this one? Look at this one. Nope. Okay, there's the 2 syllables. CVC, and then the silent E. So now this ends in a vowel, so it has to say its name, and this one says its name because it has a sneaky E. So delete. Let's put it together. Delete. Okay. All right, this one. Watch this one. Look here. Now this is a CV, so the O says its name. CVC. This one's short. I say dough nut. Put it together. Donut. Yes, Kate. Okay, you can try to go to the restroom. Waterfall. Okay, so let me think of another one. Here's another one. Here's where the syllable ends. CV. So that's a long vowel. Excuse me. Then this is a CVC with the sneaky E. So the U is going to say its name too because we got the sneaky E there. But it ends in a vowel, the first syllable, so that's going to say its name. So where this syllable is re. And then what's this syllable? No, there's no there. That's an N. Tune. Retune. Retune. Like I'm going to retune my guitar. Okay.